Hi, my name is Natalia. I'm a young girl who was born and raised in one of the poorest regions in Brazil. But thanks to Bill Gates and to my mom, who dragged me to English classes and brought a computer home when I was only 6 years old, I started my journey to become a nerdy kid very early in life. By the age of 14, I was building sites and earning money. By the age of 20, I was living in Russia, India and China while working from the comfort of my computer. Now, I work for the Conversionalist Agents, a London-based startup sourcing multilingual analysts across all the world. We are literally a living example of how technology has erased international borders for accessing opportunities. Latin America region faces many economical and political crises every day, but I like to believe that out of adversity comes opportunity. Our region has become a breeding ground for new business led by young people. It's now the second most enterprising region in the world. Like me, there are many young entrepreneurs in Latin America region, but not in a traditional sense. We are entrepreneurs of our lives. We do not want to shape our life around the work anymore, but a work around our lifestyle, values, and personality. We take advantage of the internet to tailor-make ourselves a career to support our lifestyle. According to Microsoft, 41% of users in Latin America already works remotely somehow, and more than 60% of the working age population in most of the region countries view entrepreneurship as a desirable career. We are shaping a new way of work and the career paths of the future. In a region where higher education is not for everyone, we are using technology to become self-learners and self-entrepreneurs. The reason why I want to share this experience with everyone at South by Southwest is to demonstrate the importance of Latin America millennials to the global economy, but more important, to the global happiness. Furthermore, I want to reinforce the importance of technology accessibility for youngs in the emerging markets, not only as a vast knowledge and communication source, but also as a mindset and future changer.